So hello everybody. So we've got some regrowth here. I feel like it's actually a lot more than the other nail. It's like this bit soft here, so got some regrowth there. That's thin, so that's a bit regrowth, but the nail was a lot worse. So from far away, it actually looks not that bad from what it was before. So we've done a local anesthetic. And what I'm doing is just really releasing whatever might be there. Good thing is this side is there's not my nail there. So we did a partial nail though, so it'll be good. When you do total, there is a higher risk of it coming back a lot more. So yeah, that feels like nail. But it was quite onychoxic before. We just push this cuticle area back because there's not much cuticle area. There you go. It feels like the nail plate is very deep rooted. Come on. Oh, there we go. I just want to grab it. No, ideally I want to grab it in one go, but if it doesn't want to, it doesn't want to. Let's see if I can do that. There. That's the nail plate there. So that's beautiful nail bed there, beautiful. Too ambitious to try to remove this in one go. Lots of regrowth there. So what to do is really check that all that nail is out. I apologize for outside. I think there's a band playing. Or somebody is very angry and hammering the wall. So let's just have a look at the nail plate. Yeah, bit didn't regrow back. That bit there. So if you look at the nail roots for this nail here, that bit didn't regrow back. Hence, I can't actually stick my elevator down there, but I can here. Okay. So let's just clean this all up. And I'm going to use a different for this one. Okay, let's pause through this in. Squeeze that pheno in. And I might just do that by 1 minute. Then the other side for 1 minute, just to get that root. Yeah, loads of pheno around the nail. Put some pheno around the nail bed. Good. Happy with that. And we've just put some chlorhexidine around there. Okay, I'm happy with that. So this is the toenail outside. And again, these don't bleed out. I'm just going to cover that. Okay. Good. Turn. So let's hope that these just regrow back. They're still the same percentage, but you know, the last time was really thick and long, and now it's flatter. So I think there's less nail cells compared to before. So hopefully it will. So voila, that's all done. Excellent.